It's not my fault that you spend the money on Molly and horse. That's not my fault that you spend the money on Molly and horse. You gotta pay a whore. You gotta pay a whore because you come too quick. You gotta pay the girls to be with you. Let's be real here. Let's be real here.
You can't bring no man, Timar. No matter how you try.
I'm not trying to bring them down. I'm speaking the truth.
Yeah, man, that's true because you see someone upon live. You see someone that today.
Speaking of my name, though.
You just have it true in
Speaking of my name, he's telling me to go suck my mother. My mother's dead. My mother's dead. You don't do shit like that. Mr. Buck, stop defending him because you want to go viral too.
You're wrong.
Go viral for.
Shut up. You want to go viral too. Shut up.
Come on, go viral, T-Marie.
Shut up.
Rose, you hear me?
Me, I hear you.
Me carry girl, you know say that girl ain't rate me. Ask him. When the police...
You know how I know you don't rate me? Because how could you be so ungrateful and disrespectful to somebody that came here and helped you? That's what.
I true, man. It don't make sense me talk, man. I true.
No, it don't make sense you talk.
All right.
Because you don't got no